Love and respect for parents are essential feelings we should have in our hearts. Parents are the ones who take care of us when we are teeny babies, and they help us grow and learn about the world around us. They give us food, clothes, and a warm place to stay. When we are sad, they comfort us with hugs and kind words. Parents work hard to make sure we have everything we need. We should always listen to our parents because they have a lot of wisdom and experience. We should take their advice because they always want the best for us. Even if we don't agree with them sometimes, we should try to understand their perspective. It's important not to raise our voices or be rude to them. Instead, we should communicate calmly and respectfully. It's important to spend time with them and talk to them about our feelings and thoughts. When they are happy, we should celebrate their happiness. And when they are feeling down, we should try to make them feel better with our love and support. Parents do so much for us, and we should be grateful for their love and care. Think about those orphan children who never got their parents' love. Let's always treat our parents with love and respect because they deserve it.